Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins at the closing market minute for Tuesday, August 12th. Soybeans did end the session higher. The USDA might be projecting a record average yield this year, but they did lower the U.S. production number and made some adjustments to acreage and pulled U.S. new crop ending stocks down as well. That supported soybeans, even if the USDA did again cut new crop U.S. exports. Corn closed lower on profit taking. Also, the USDA is projecting an all-time high for U.S. corn production and a record average yield, also raising the acreage numbers and increasing new crop U.S. ending stocks estimate to more than 2.1 billion bushels. Pretty bearish report on the corn side of things. Wheat ended the session lower, also seeing a little bit of profit taking. Not many changes to domestic or international new crop ending stocks on wheat. Not much of a change for U.S. wheat production overall either. Total wheat production was a little bit below a month ago, with a slight decrease for the spring wheat, more than canceling out a slight increase on winter wheat. USDA's next round of supply, demand, and production numbers is out on September 12th. Live and feeder cattle were sharply higher, optimistic about this week's direct cash cattle business. They're going to be waiting at least a couple more days, with no bids or asking prices being reported as of yet. Box beef was sharply higher at midday on Tuesday, including a more than $8 gain in the choice cut. And hogs ended the session mixed, mostly lower on these steady to lower cash during the session and the lower midday move in pork. Still have a lot of questions about demand on the export basis for pork, a lot of that connected to tariffs with China. Still, the U.S. tariffs on China have been delayed another 90 days. With the closing market minute for Tuesday, August 12th, I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins.